Good morning, kindergarten. Today we're going to do a phonics guided reading level C lesson. So you will need to get your magnetic letters or any letters. If you don't have letters, you could make them by flashcards, or you can just follow along with me in the video. So I'm going to first pull down the letters that I need. First I need S, A, T, D, M, U, B, G. Okay. The first word I'm going to make is sat. So let's see how many sounds that is first. S, A, T. That's 3 sounds, so that must mean 3 letters. So let's think about what sound we hear first in sat. S, S, S. I hear S. What do you hear next? S, A, A, A. I hear A. And let's think about the ending sound. S, A, T, T, T. The ending sound is T. Okay, let's say the sounds. S, at, and blend it, sat. Very good. Now we're going to change sat into sad. So for sad, do I need to change the beginning sound? Sad. No. What about the middle? Sad. No. What about the ending sound? Sad. Yes. I'm going to change that to a D. Make sure you grab the D and not the B. Sad. All right, let's say the sounds together. Sad. And blend it. Sad. Now I'm going to change sad into mad. Do I need to change the beginning sound? Mad. Yes, that sounds like an M. Let's say the sounds and blend it. Add. Mad. Now we're going to change mad into mud. Do I need to change the beginning sound? Mud. No. What about the middle sound? Ud. Yes, that sounds like a U. I know U says Let's say the sounds and blend it. Ud. Mud. Now we're going to change mud into bud. Do I need to change the beginning sound? Bud. Yes, that sounds like a B. Now let's say the sounds and blend it. Bud. Bud. Now let's change bud into bug. Do I need to change the beginning sound? Bug. No. What about the middle sound? Ug. No. What about the ending sound? Bug. Yes, that sounds like a G. Let's say the sounds and blend it. Bug. All right, I'm going to put my letters back and I'm going to get some new letters so that we can make some new words. All right, the letters that you need to get for the next set of words are D, O, G, T, H, P, I. All right, the first word we're going to make is dog. Let's count and see how many sounds are in dog. D, A, G. 3 sounds, so that must mean 3 letters. Let's think about the beginning sound. D. That sounds like a D. D, A. That sounds like an O. Dog. G. The ending sound sounds like G. So let's say the sounds and blend it together. D, A, G. Dog. Let's change dog into dot. Do I need to change the beginning sound? Dot. No, it still sounds like D. What about the middle sound? Dot. No. What about the ending sound? Dot. Yes, that sounds like a T. Let's say the sounds and blend it. D-a-t, dot. Very good. Now let's change dot into hot. Do I need to change the beginning sound? Hot. Yes, that sounds like H. Let's say the sounds and blend it. Ot, hot. Now I'm going to change hot into hop. Which sound do you think I need to change? The beginning sound? Hop. No. What about the middle? Op. No. What about the ending? Hop. Yes, that sounds like a P. Let's say the sounds and blend it. Op. Hop. Now I want to change hop into hip. Which sound is different to you? Is it the beginning sound? Hip. No. What about the middle sound? Hip. Yes, that sounds like an I. I says I. Let's say the sounds and blend it. Hip. Okay, now we're getting ready for our last word. We're going to change hip into dip. Do we need to change the beginning sound? Dip. Yes. That sounds like a D. Let's say the sounds and then blend together. Dip.